Hello there, Kickstarter people, and just general Pika people in general. First, it is the end of April. We went to Rocky Mountain Rep Festival a little bit ago, like a week and a half, 2 weeks now, something like that. It's Tuesday, so week and a half. We had a great time. We did not have everything that we wanted to have there, unfortunately, it's currently 2 a.m. and I'm dealing with the same problems I was dealing with before. Unfortunately, the machine that is making the heat sinks right now, which is good, had a few things to iron out. Apparently, I'll talk about that in the machining video. So if you care about that, I'll be shooting that right after this one. Anyways, so we were delighted to see some of you there. We were more delighted that some of you chose to pick up your Pikas. So that was a big achievement for us. That was something that I worked really hard to make sure that it happened, just to finally get there and get things going. So what's going on now? So now is assembly. It's really just assembly. So we've been running periodic quality checks on everything. So we actually are running some parts, ABS parts. You can't see shit. I mean, it doesn't really matter, I guess. Running some ABS parts. We printed PLA, we printed PCTG. Like, we're running through everything that we can ahead of time to make sure it fit. Make sure that everything works too, the tolerances are right, and that it goes together. So for the people who picked up Pika early, one thing that I did not know, and this is from a long time ago, because we've had our Kickstarter X1C since Kickstarter. Like, it's literally one of the first that they shipped. The screws are slightly smaller, and I did not know this. So the hole spacing, or not the hole spacing, the hole sizes are a touch too small. So if you're one of the people who picked it up and it doesn't fit for you, because who knows, it might. I know some of them have and some of them don't. I mean, it is what it is. So if you're one of the few, like 10 people, something like that. But I'm putting it on here because this is what I am. I'm transparent for people who bother to pay attention. They're too small for brand new screws. So we have brand new screws. We swapped them in. We changed the hole size, swapped the new drill, like easy peasy. And we only made a limited quantity, and everything else has been fixed that was in process. So like, we're good. We're good on that front, and not a big deal. But I just want to put that out there. That happened. Limited quantity, and for some people it might not even better, because they're going to put it into something else that doesn't have specifically those screws. But it's fixed. All good. But we are in production. So right now it's producing stuff. I haven't heard a break. So still making parts. It's slower than I thought. So again, more machining updates if you really care about that. Separate video, separate upload. So what we have here is some heat sinks, right? And they're all getting a tumbling treatment to make sure that they're not broken. Like I said, heat sinks were the last component that we needed. Right in front of us here, as I zoom out, we have a ton of our Pika blocks. So the reason most of them went into the snap maker bin is mostly because there's no heater and therm. So as we go through and start assigning them, we'll take from that bin and start assigning them there. And then we have 1,000+ blocks that we're getting plated, and slowly cycling through that way to keep all this production right. So we built everything, a whole bunch of tooling, and we just kind of went through it all as a big group, just like I said we would, right? So we actually had over 500 blocks ready to go for heat sinks if the heat sinks were available for remurf. So we are going to be fulfilling everything that we can as soon as we can. Things will take time. They'll take time to assemble, especially as depending on the availability of things. So we will get there. That's just how it is. I think Audrina put together 100 today, something like that, between everything. So we will definitely be shipping them as soon as we can. So thank you for your patience, and I'm really excited for those who can use this kind of stuff, how well it's going to work. yeah, I think it should be great.